Hello friends, I'm and today we're diving the fantastic world of Linux again. And today I'm going to tell you something that you need to install this application. Or to be specific, you need to install a particular antivirus. Well, I know that Linux is very secure, but adding an extra layer of security is nice. Just like Windows has Windows Defender and Apple is already so much secure, but we need something as well. And don't worry, it's not gonna just run in the background and be very resource hungry, RAM hungry, and CPU hungry. No, something which is very clean and just works. And this is what we will talk about today. So let's get started, shall we? And here we are on my desktop, and yeah, this desktop does looks nice. I've already created videos about this setup. Check out those videos on my channel, and let's move to the application, Capitano. Now, what is this? Well, as I said, it's an antivirus of something like that. But we need to check, as it can see, not combat ready yet. So let's do that. Check the readiness. Update malware definitions before scanning. So let's go to update, check for updates. Now, this is a bad start for a video, but it is a good start if you want to learn something. So as you can see, it is not ready. So we have to make it ready. Now, what is the real deal? Well, there's a clamav daemon called CLAMD, which should be running in the background. That is indeed something related to the antiviruses, and that's what we'll be installing. Sudo dnf install clamav and clamav-update. Enter, and there it is. Now let's just install it. And yeah, it's gonna take some time. To be honest, it was pretty fast according to me. Now we need to enable the virus signatures. Sudo freshclam, enter, and there it begins. Now it will actually make sure that it downloads the latest virus definitions. You see, it was all missing from the native Linux desktop because Linux is, assumed to be really virus proof. But to be honest, if something happens, Linux is not that powerful. And that is why you need Capitano. But first, we need to install the right things for the background so that we can have a front end like Capitano. And yeah, it actually looks like a captain. Well, I trust you, Captain. Now the thing which we need to do next is to start it using systemctl. So sudo systemctl enable -- now clamd @scan. Enter. And now as you can see, it does not exist. Well, it was optional, but ideal. Well, let's just leave that. I just hope it would be there to enable, but no, it does exist, so it's okay. Now we need to give Capitano the permissions. And at last, after doing some stuff, well, it was nothing. I just needed to install a few other packages. Well, for example, here, clamav, update, server, and then the scanner-systemd. That's it. After checking everything, it is done. And now let's give it access to, the flatpak Capitano antivirus. For that, I'm going to need to use sudo. And there we go. And now let's give it proper address. Well, access. There we go. And now the communication between CLAMD and flatpak. Alright, I'm still going to need to use sudo. Enter. There we go. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use, put all these commands in the description. So don't worry about it. And looks like we're done. So what we need to do is now just launch Capitano, and there we go, awaiting orders. Now it is properly ready. And then logbook, and then the update. Well, clamav is up to date. Now let's go to the radar and select the folders. For example, let's say I want to just scan my home directory. It is scanning. So you see, it's not just gonna run in the background. It will only work when you ask it to work. And that also does one another thing. When you go to privacy and security and take a look at your device security, as you can see, security check fails because hardware does not meet the basic secure passages and secure boot is off. You see, Linux has a device security, but it doesn't work properly. But when we talk about Capitano, it is amazing. Condition green on system secure. Now let's say I want to scan even something more, literal more, like, well, way do more. Let's say I want to just scan my whole / directory, then this directory. Well, I don't know if it has permission, but yeah, let's try. Maybe it will fail because it is a sacred directory and scanning the whole slash. Man, it is a big task. Let's see what will happen. You know what happened? Condition green. Everything is just awesome. And no hostiles logged during the operation. Clear as day. And then we have the preference where we can, give it the access to delete potential unwanted application, but we'll do that by ourselves. Scan directories recursively, but I just want to scan whenever I want. Then logbugs and updates, update malware database at launch. Well, no, I've already updated everything and it is pretty nice. You see, that is the power of Capitano. Now I have a fully secure and I have a lot of peace of mind. Well, I'll be using this Linux setup as my main base of operations. In video editing, gaming, or anything else, I can just have the peace of mind that nothing bad will happen. And if you want that too, then yeah, all the commands which you might need to install and properly run Capitano are in the description. And I'll meet you next video. Till then, I'm Om signing out.